Well, hey out there, all you viewers to be named later. How we doing today? Man, we got something a little different for you. You got kind of a treat. And I found out recently, it's either been discontinued, they're no longer making it. I really, truly don't know. But as you know by that thumbnail, everything else you clicked on to get here, today we're going to take a look at something else by Mountain House, who honestly is one of my favorite freeze-dried food companies. They really, truly are. And it's their Raspberry Crumble with, what is it? Yeah, Raspberry Crumble. Raspberry sauce topped with chocolate cookie crumbs. Sometimes you just need something different out in the backcountry, right? Sometimes you really need that, like, that sugar rush, that pick-me-up, that treat. Sometimes you need a little dessert. I don't know, maybe you've got somebody else out there with you and you're like, hey, I got the raspberry sauce. Come on over. But still, I believe, to be honest with you, I paid between 15 and 20 bucks for this. It's been a while, and it's been sitting in the pile of shame for a very long time. But if you know Mountain House, and this is why I'm saying it, they've got awesome expiration dates. November 20, what is that? 47. So I hope I'm not around then, because, man, I'm already old in 2020s, and add another 20 years on when this thing expires. Eek. But still, this one's really, really simple. Basically, rip the pouch open, add a 1 1/3 cup, as it says right here, boiling water, close zipper, let it stand, and then add the chocolate cookie crumbles. But still, let's open it up. Let's let you take a look at it, okay? Then we're gonna go to the kitchen. We're gonna boil the water. I mean, there's no sense of you guys watching water boil, all right? So I'm not going to make you suffer through that. I'm just not. All right. I like this one, how they did it. So here's your little silica pouch. Go ahead, take it out. You don't need it. You don't need to make it. There's the cookie crumbles. And there is your raspberry stuff already sealed up. In case you want to, like, seriously compress everything, you can wrap the hell out of this bag and, make it smaller, make it more lightweight. But there is everything. So like I said, we're going to take that out there. We're going to mix it up, get everything ready, and we're going to come back and we're going to do a taste test on this. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys. That time's gone by. We've got it all reconstituted, got it in a bowl. And yeah, there you go. So, you get a lot, a lot of, like, those little cookie crumbles. Now, I did forget to mention, Mountain House is made in the USA out of Albany, Oregon. So, I like the fact it's from my old home state where I lived for a very long time. And they've been making quality products for a very, very, very long time. And I did a lot of triple checking in that time. Yeah, I can't find it anywhere, so I think I'm eating one of the last ones I'm probably ever going to find unless something pops up on Amazon or eBay. But there it is. It's still, I don't know if you can see that steam coming up through the camera and whatnot. It's still a little bit hot. But let's go in for a taste test. Well, I can't really call it a taste test because I've had this before. And I really liked it. So now I'm kind of upset that I can't find them again. And yeah, so there you go. It's, oh yeah, you can really see that steam, can't you? It is a little bit hot, but still. Whew. Mm-hmm. Oh, it's good. Oh my God, that's good. It really is when you add those cookie crumbles in there. Because I had to clean up a little bit of a pour mess out in the kitchen. And yeah, stuff is good. Well, we've always done 3, so let's do another, right? You guys want to try?
Yes.
What is it?
Go get a spoon. We're going to have some independent taste testers here in a moment. The boy instantly was like, yes, yes, yes.
And 1 no.
Come on, we ain't got all day.
I don't want to try what I
Careful, hey. Blow on it, moron. Now, God, you gotta brush your teeth. Oh.
He is the one who likes to burn his tongue.
Damn, that's good.
A little louder so the camera can hear you.
Damn, that's good.
Go away.
Very good.
We'll try a little bit. Okay. So there you go. 3 out of 3 people who tried it in my house like it. Okay, we're going to put this to the side for a second. Because I really don't want to be doing a balancing act as we get to this. Okay, we are at the favorite part of the video for me in these little freeze-dried meal unbaggings and every other video I do. Here's the part where I really want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, and anger. All that fun stuff right down below in the comments section. Okay, now as I've said in other ones, have you used Mountain House before? Have you ate Mountain House? Have you used this dessert? Because I'll be honest with you, I did not like their blueberry granola breakfast thing. Those freeze-dried ice cream bars I didn't like, but I'll be bringing one to the channel so you can see them. I don't know, I really like this one. So if anybody from Mountain House may ever stumble across this, please bring this one back, because man, it is awesome. Okay, now, if it made you laugh, made you cringe, made you cry, made you do any of that during this video, please hit that big old thumbs up. It's only going to show love and support for the channel, and that is always appreciated. But there we go, guys, my quick unbagging of Mountain House's raspberry sauce with, well, raspberry crumble with chocolate crumble? Raspberry sauce with chocolate crumbles. Thanks so much for watching this one. I hope all of you are having a good one today, a safe one today. I'll see all of you in our very next video.